If you've been wanting to introduce jumping rope into your fitness routine, this may be the perfect product for you. In this video, we're going to go over the features and uses of the Vital Therapy Soft Beaded Jump Rope. The soft rubber beads are durable and designed to withstand the test of time. Unlike most fitness ropes, the design of the Vital Therapy Soft Beaded Jump Rope provides precise control of movement and rope mechanics, making it easier than ever for a new jumper to learn. Jumping rope can be a great way to incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your day. It doesn't require a lot of space or expensive equipment to do it. The convenient zipper travel case also makes it easy to take with you on the go. To find this and other fitness products, visit us online or in store. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.